So it's been a busy day, the last couple days actually. Not getting the wiring on the RX7 tonight. I will show you all the things in the packaging, all the wiring stuff we got. Tomorrow, hopefully have a little more time. Things won't break down on me. We can get some twine ran through the car and really get this fuel tech set up, because that's one of our dilemmas. Some other stuff did come in the mail today for the RX7, so let me show you the hose that I did test and put on. Also, I need to finish up some Pro-J stuff. Some of the gaskets and things didn't work. I had to buy some new fittings because they were not right. They weren't the same size as this BZA one that was on there. Swapping it out for some Sakabomb and some Pro-J. So we get that sorted. So let me show you this hose. So I think it has turned out nice, and it makes it sit in a good spot, but you can be the judge for yourself. Okay, under the car here. So here is the one flange that was welded, and I got this reinforced with a spring in it bendy hose that comes up and doesn't really rub on this right here. It goes on top of the water pump. It still has a little flexibility, but it really kind of locks it in that spot. So I just need to make that mount on top to hold it from flexing. But I think it turned out nice. And it has the bend I need it to go around everything without rubbing on everything, and it tucks it up high enough that I feel comfortable with cruising. So that is awesome. So I'm going to call that about done. Besides top bracket, some hose clamps, and finish tightening all the AN stuff up. Oh, I did. I gotta tell you. I did get Minifab swirl pot stuff confirmation. It has shipped, so it will be here soon for that too. So then we can put coolant in it and see what leaks. Because who knows? It's never had coolant in it. It's never had fuel in it. It's never had oil in it. There's a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna have to figure it out. Alright guys, time to unbox some RX7 stuff. A lot of stuff here.
Yeah.
Some boxes are worth hundreds of dollars.
Yeah.
Some are not.
Yeah.
Yep. And we're gonna unbox them. We're gonna get everything out. We're gonna start getting the game plan. We'll start working on stuff. Okay, what do we got?
Yeah.
Oh, check it out. Look at that. Fuel tech harness.
Whoa.
An additional. Whoa. And looky there.
Yeah.
Fuel tech.
I can't open this one.
Mini. With harness. Okay, so in this box, I bought a broken RX7 FD harness for wiring and plug purposes. I need some factory stuff. We got heat wraps, we got injectors and sensors and other plugs, O2 welding bongs, the Pro-J wiring, injector sensors, aluminum AN16 adapters, 20 to 16 reds, sheathing, wiring tape, more AN8 and 10 breather hoses for catch can and other purposes. Okay guys, this is the fun part. These are fun pieces.
Yeah. Maybe pop. Whoa.
Okay, there it is. A full carbon surround for the RX7. Fuel tech and a nano and maybe something else right here. It's going to be so sweet to be able to mount that fuel tech right in here. It'll act just like my dash. So this is Evo R who made this product. It has turned out well. I like it. It's looking good. It's a very nice piece. They also give you a cool plush and cuddly angry rotary guy, which is awesome. And it has a suction cup to hang it in my window. That's cool. Alright, so here's another EvoWar product. Carbon fibered with the red RX7 lettering in there. Thought it fit well with the black and red silver combo. We're going for black mamba. So we got one for each side. Very nice piece. It's very cool to see the carbon. We send it with 3M adhesive to attach it. It looks very nice. One more little piece here. Boom. Carbon fiber map door. It's on the driver's side. I'm missing it because the tab's broke, so it doesn't stay in there. But I went with an EvoWar carbon fiber piece for the map door, and it's a pretty cool little piece. Alright guys, a little different wiring than today that I've been working on than I was expecting. My kids did an engine swap on their go-kart. We've been working on wiring this evening, getting it running. It does run. We got it going, so we got to finish making some custom mounts, get them things sorted, get some wiring ran up front. So this is not RX7 wiring, but I did get wiring done today. But wiring, blah blah blah. But wiring, gotta get sorted. Gotta get this sorted. We gotta get it running. We're so close. We're so close. Pop-up headlight, FD, RX7, underway, 3 rotor. It's gonna be sick. Talked to my cousin today. Oh, you guys don't know about that yet. I'll have to tell you soon. Can't tell you yet. Things underway. Working out some stuff. Might be getting something else. I was saying I should get a 4 rotor. And you'll understand. You'll understand. Also, I'll have to show you the manifold. We're having issues with that. Tell you the story on what's going on there. And we're going to have to buy or get something else built or fixed. Hopefully Shane at PFI Speed can help us out with that. That might be what it comes down to. Or I met some friends. One of them actually has a GTR R35 and a FD RX7. He knows some fab guys in a city about an hour from me. Because I literally live in the middle of nowhere from everything. The middle of nowhere as in like it takes me over an hour to get to a Walmart or a Taco Bell or a Dairy Queen or a movie theater for the most part. More content coming with this. We will keep going. Tomorrow we're coming. Thanks for tuning into this episode. Hopefully you can see what we got going on. Give you a little insight. Trying to do 7 days even though it's not tons of stuff going on. I'm trying to share with you everything I got going on with the RX7 right here.